Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. I hope you all are well. Students, your second chapter in English literature, We Want the Moon, is going on. You have already finished your explanation parts, true, false, fill in the blanks, and some choose the correct answers. Exercise A, B, and C. Today we will do the word meanings and question answers of this chapter. So you will do all the work in your English literature copy, and those students who have not done their previous work in copy, please tell me in my WhatsApp. I will send you your work. So today you open your literature copy and start your work. Try to write in a dark pencil with good handwriting. Let's start. Open your English literature copy and start your work. First, you will mention class work, date. Today is 23rd April 2021, 23/4/2021. Chapter 2, We Want the Moon. Write the meanings of the following words. Your words are sweat, breeze, twinkle, excitement, curiously, and shone. Sweat, SWAYED. Sweat means moved slowly, from side to side. That means moving side to side. इधर उधर हिलना, slowly. इधर उधर move करना. Breeze, gentle wind. Twinkle, sparkle, or blink. BLINK, blink. Excitement, wanting, excitement, overactive. OVERACTIVE. It is the one word, not over and active. Overactive. Curiously, wanting to learn or know. Last, shone, looked bright. BRIGHT, bright. It is your word meanings. Sweat, moved slowly from side to side. Breeze, gentle wind. Twinkle, sparkle or blink. Excitement, overactive. Curiously, wanting to learn or know. Shone, looked bright. Now you start your question answer from the next page. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Have you seen the moon at night? Answer. Yes, I have seen the moon at night. Yes, I have seen the moon at night. Question number 2. Where were the two girls playing? Answer. The two girls were playing in their garden. The two girls were playing in their garden. Third question. Where did the Shivi and Kavi live? Answer. Shivi and Kavi lived. Where did they live? Yes, Sundarpur. Lived in a beautiful town called Sundarpur. Sunderpur. Sundarpur. Shivi and Kavi lived in a beautiful town called Sundarpur. 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 And last question is, who helped the two sisters? Who helped them? Yes, grandma helped the two sisters. And your homework is learn all the question answers of chapter 2. Students, start your work. Have a nice day.